What's up, YouTube? Okay, so today's my birthday. I'm in Japan. I just got a fresh cut from a barber that my dad is friends with. Here's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comments, please. Also, we are going to do some fireworks today, so I'm pretty looking forward to that. So let's cut forward and show you what we got.
So this is what the balloons look like. You may be wondering why my voice sounds like this. I just sucked up some helium. So this is what it's gonna look like. Can't really see it from this angle, but they're all types, and I'll show you what they're all about.
Wait, we have the Hanabi. We have this one. Let's try it out.
ちょっと待って、見せて。ここだね。はい、行くよ。静かに。あ、消えた。
Open this one. Oh! Oh! Look, it's like changing colors. I don't know if you can see, but it's sparking. Oh gosh, that's crazy. Oh wow. Here, this is what's gonna be satisfying. Oh, that's gonna be satisfying. Whatever. Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Maybe they have different changing colors, like different for each one. Let's try this one.
これが世界の。
あ、消えた。
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. It's like orange skin.
綺麗ね。
You can see how the stick is there. Oh, it's just
Yes.
okay. So that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow, and share for more. God bless and have a nice day. Bye. See you in the next video.
Ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing.